Hi, welcome to Invest with Chikwesere. In this YouTube platform, I teach smart investment ideas using investment tools and platforms like the stock market, real estate, treasury bills, ETFs, bonds, and others. Always ensure to hook up with me on this platform every Wednesday. Today, I'll be teaching you how to buy your first Nigerian stock using InvestBamboo app. Please don't forget to download the InvestBamboo app using my referral link below. That is the best thing you can ever do for me to encourage me to do more investment videos like this for you. Also, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share in case you are coming across my video for the first time. So, if you are ready to buy your first Nigerian stocks, let's go there. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I want to teach you how to buy Nigerian stock from Bamboo. So first of all, you launch the Bamboo app. That is if you have it on your phone, and put your passwords, then voila, you are into Bamboo app now. So what you need to do is to now look at the different portfolios. This is my total worth, that is comprising US stock and Nigerian stock. Then you go to Nigerian stock, you see NG stocks. So when you reach there, you open it up, then you look for the stock that you want to buy. Some stocks are automatically displayed here, but if they are not displayed, then you go back, then look for search assets, type in the company name, the company you want to buy their stocks. In this case, I want to buy Access Bank, so you type in Access Bank, then it's going to okay, I think Access. So okay, Access Holdings. Sorry, that was why it didn't pop up that first time. So when you type Access Holdings, then you now go down, you scroll down. So today Access Holding was sold at 25 naira 70 kobo. So that is the cost price as of the time of making this video. So you now click on buy. So when you click on buy, this is how to buy. So when you click on buy, this is coming from my network. My network is very slow. So when you click on buy, you will now see market orders. So market orders is the amount, like the real amount that they are selling it at that moment, the real cost of the stock as of that particular moment. So now I'm looking for the number of shares or stocks that will amount to the amount of money I want to buy. So I have 50,433, so that is about 1,800 units. So amounting to 46,953 naira 49 kobo. That is the total, the commissions and everything included. So the next thing you need to do now is to now click buy. So you click buy in order to purchase this particular stock. So as you can see, it's still loading. So it's saying sending orders. It may take a couple of minutes, so you have to exercise patience. No, you exercise patience. Okay, now order submitted. Your buy market order was successfully submitted. Okay, thanks. So that is to tell you that congratulations, you have successfully bought your Access Holding shares. You understand? So this is how to buy it. So now when you check the Nigerian account wallet, you discover that the money is no longer there. So now when you open the Nigerian stock portfolio, you will now see it there, market order. So you have already purchased it. So it's showing that you now have an additional 1,800 units of Access Holdings. So this is it. So when you look down, when you check your trade history, you will discover that it's displaying there. So these are the ones I've bought before, 1,800 as of the ones I bought at the time of making this video for illustration purposes. So that is how to buy your Nigerian stocks. So now if you linked, normally you will need to register with an email address. So if you link your email address to it, so when you go to your email address, when you go to your inbox, your email inbox, you will discover that they have sent you a message. So in this case now, say your market order to buy 1,800 shares of Access Corporation was executed at an average price of 25 naira 85 kobo. The market is very, very volatile. So sometimes the amount you are buying or the current price of that particular stock may not really be what will come out at the point of execution, because the stock market is highly volatile. That is, the price changes, in a twinkle of an eye to a layman. So that is how to buy stocks, to buy Nigerian stocks on Bamboo. So this is it. So this is my portfolio. The money I invested now in Nigerian stock is now reflecting in my Nigerian portfolio, my Nigerian stock portfolio, as you can see. So this is how to do it. It is very, very simple. It's not something that is out of place. So with that, I think I have taught you how to buy your first stock. So I will see you in the next video. So bye for now.